What happened here?
I wanted to do it.
I don't want to talk about it. Mason did it.
No, I didn't.
We're gonna make some.
Hold up, I ain't got your food.
We're going to make some Alabama white barbecue sauce for our grilled lobster rolls. We're gonna start with some Dukes, about a cup.
Does that look like a cup to y'all?
About a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar. Some Goldens. There it is.
Honey.
Honey. Look at that poor bear. You're draining me of my energy and my life force. A little salt. Oh, and this.
Ooh.
We love that prepared horseradish by
Yeah.
Reese.
I seen on another video that we did.
Yeah, what was that? Oh, the tri-tip. A little bit of lemon juice. Some cayenne pepper.
Okay.
That's a lot. It's gonna be spicy.
What's
Some
that?
Memphis barbecue supply.
Shout out.
Shotwell barbecue rub. This is the best. Sorry everyone else, but it's the best. So now we sip a fifth of the Whisk. And normally a white barbecue sauce is a little more like a vinegar sauce, a little thin, like me, a little thin. Why'd you pan down? How we see?
Yeah.
We're gonna grill the lobster tails, and then
On that?
yeah, on that,
Okay.
and then we're gonna toss it in this Alabama white barbecue sauce with some thinly sliced red onion, thin like me, and some why'd you pan down, and some bread and butter pickles.
And then lobster tails, complete with the flippers.
Ever tell about the time when I was a kid, half a stick of butter, all in one bite?
Yep.
All right, we're gonna split these right down the middle from the back, because then we're gonna put them on their sides and grill them. Well, ooh.
Ow!
That's cool.
Just my toe.
Last one.
Wash your fingers.
Woo! You idiot, I told you.
What, are you just gonna put it directly on this thing right here?
That thing's called a table.
Mmm. So brown, so crispy.
Hot butter all over them hot lobsters. Yeah, look at that.
That's gonna be amazing.
That's it.
That's it?
Done.
That was stupid.
Oh, hear the sizzle?
Yeah. So we hit it with some more of that butter.
Yep.
Watch your flip-flop toes. There you go. Oh,
Yeah. Christmas in heaven, all the church bells ring.
Oh, it smells so good.
What movie that from?
It's from Monty Python Sings.
No,
It's Monty Python Sings.
no, it's not. I said, what movie is it from?
Monty Python Sings, the soundtrack.
No, what movie?
The Meaning of Life.
There you go.
Jared, I think these are about done.
Dude.
Look at that bubble.
All right,
Boom.
ready. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna finish off our lobster rolls. Red onion. Good. Get our brioche roll. Ooh, you look so pretty.
He was talking to her.
So we're gonna just split these here.
What's brioche French for?
Bread in half. I don't know. Oh, I thought you were talking to me. Look at that lobster meat. Look at the dog. The dog wants it.
Delicious. Totes delicious.
See how these are not like crusty. They're like still kind of soft.
They're nice, yeah.
Chunky, grilled lobster meat. And on top of that, we're gonna do some of that white barbecue sauce.
Nothing better than mayonnaise and
Okay.
shellfish.
And then bread and butter pickles and some thinly sliced red onion. Tell me you don't want that.
I want it.
Let's let John have it.
Okay.
Grilled lobster rolls. We took the lobster, split them down the middle, did some butter, melted with some of that Shotwell barbecue rub from Memphis Barbecue Supply Company, and made some Alabama white barbecue sauce with some bread and butter pickles and red onion. Let's do it. Go on.
Oh my gosh. The pickles are so sweet, they cut through everything else. And red onions just provide that.
I think we did it.
I think we did.
I got a lot of sauce on my hand. You
Good.
ready?
Let's do it.
Flat out.
It's in my eye. It's so in my eye.